Asteroids and comets often overlooked, but these seemingly insignificant space rocks are key players in the history of our solar system and the future of our planet. From the birth of planets to the possibility of mass extinction, asteroids and comets have shaped life on Earth and may continue to do so. But what exactly are asteroids and comets? How do they differ? And why should we care about them? In this video, we will take a deep dive into these cosmic wanderers and their role in shaping both the solar system and Earth itself. Let's start with asteroids. Asteroids are rocky fragments left over from the formation of the solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. They range in size from tiny pebbles to nearly 1,000 kilometers wide. Most of them are located in the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter where gravitational forces from the planets have prevented these rocks from forming into a planet. Asteroids come in different types. Some are rich in metals like iron and nickel, others are made mostly of rock, while some even contain water ice. These variations in compositions tells us a lot about the condition present when they formed. Now comets are quite different. While asteroids are mostly rocky and metallic, comets are composed of ice, dust and gas. They come from cold outer regions of the solar system, primarily from Kuiper belt and the distant Oort cloud. When a comet gets close to the sun, the heat causes its ice to vaporize, creating a bright, glowing tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. The nucleus of a comet is typically a few kilometers wide, but the dramatic tail it forms when heated by the sun is what makes it such a spectacular sight in the night sky. So why do these objects matter? In the early solar system, asteroids and comets played a key role in the formation of planets. Their collision with young forming worlds helped shape their surfaces. In fact, the craters you see on the moon and even on Earth are scars left from these ancient impacts. Asteroids delivered crucial materials such as metals and water that may have helped jumpstart the conditions for life on Earth. Comets with icy composition might have delivered the water that filled our oceans. One of the most famous events involving an asteroid is the impact that likely wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. Scientists believe a 10-kilometer wide asteroid hit the Yucatan Peninsula, forming the Chicxulub crater. The impact released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, sending massive amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and causing a dramatic drop in temperature. This catastrophic event led to the extinction of nearly 75% of all life on Earth, marking the end of the reign of dinosaurs and opening the way for mammals to dominate, ultimately leading to the rise of humans. Today we have identified thousands of asteroids and comets that could potentially pose a threat to Earth. These are known as near-Earth objects or NEOs. And NEO is an object whose orbit brings it within 1.3 astronomical units of the Sun, meaning it can come closer to Earth. While the chances of a large asteroid impact in our lifetime are low, the consequences of such an event could be catastrophic. That's why space agencies like NASA, ESA, and others are actively tracking these objects, searching for any that might come dangerously close. But what if we discover an asteroid on a collision with Earth? Fortunately, scientists have been working on potential ways to prevent such a disaster. One of the most promising ideas is called a kinetic impactor. This involves sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid and change its trajectory, pushing it off course. Another method is gravity tractor technique, where a spacecraft hovers near the asteroid using its gravitational pull to slowly alter the asteroid's path over time. These methods may seem straight out of science fiction, but they are real possibilities. Studying asteroids and comets isn't just about avoiding disasters. These objects are time capsules from the early solar system, holding clues about how planets and life itself formed. When meteorites, pieces of asteroids or comets that reach Earth are found, they provide scientists with direct evidence of the solar system's building blocks. Space missions like NASA's OSIRIS-REx which collected samples from the asteroid Bennu, are helping us understand the composition of these objects in incredible detail. The more we know, the better prepared we will be for future encounters. Throughout history, comets in particular have captured the imagination of humans. In ancient times, comets were often seen as omens of doom, signaling wars, plagues, or fall of kings. The famous Halley's Comet, which visits Earth every 65 to 76 years, have been recorded by civilizations for over 2000 years. Today we understand that comets and asteroids aren't harbingers of doom, but their impact on Earth's history and our future is undeniable. Asteroids aren't just objects of scientific interest, they could hold the key to humanity's future. Many asteroids contain valuable resources such as metals and minerals that could be mined to support space exploration or even supply Earth with materials. Companies like Planetary Resources have already begun planning missions to mine asteroids for water and metals, which could fuel future space colonies. In the next few decades, asteroid mining may become a reality, potentially revolutionizing our access to resources. Asteroids and comets are more than just objects floating through space. They are reminders of our cosmic origins, of the fragile nature of life on Earth, and of the potential that lies ahead. As we continue to explore and understand these celestial bodies, we not only learn more about our past, but also prepare ourselves for the future. Thanks for watching. If you want more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe, hit that subscribe button, and together let's continue unlocking space-time.